but the IPL season, is on. How many of you follow the IPL here? Yeah. And आपका sir favorite team है कोई? चेन्नई. क्या हुआ मेला थाला ये लोग पूरा इंटरनेट मेला थाला हक दिए इस बार. Sorry to say, he is a legend. These are all RCB fans, okay? Nothing to be proud of. 17 साल से ब्रदर तुम्हारे पास 5 ट्रॉफी है. ये लौंडे 17 साल से आस लगाए हुए हैं. हाँ आगे पापा. One of the most consistent teams of the IPL, Royal Challengers Bangalore. If RCB plays a match against RCB, CSK will win the match. I'm that great a team. But I'm loving this year's IPL only for one reason, when Ravi Shastri is doing the toss. Because before the toss, I don't know what is he high on. Like, I think I know. He is so excited. Ki Khasaka Mumbai, Welcome Chennai, Namaskara Bengaluru, Kem Cho Ahmedabad. He has not gone to Ekana Stadium in Lucknow. I'm waiting for him to go. But I love his commentary because see, he's so energetic all the time, and he smacked the ball, he's whacked it away. It's 4 runs. There's a reason why he does this. Because this guy is always, it's killing it. And the Mumbai Indians have won it tonight. Ye pee raha hai. Which is why some commentators should do this. Like, have you heard about this famous player from Hyderabad called VVS Lakshman, a legend of Indian cricket? Few years back, he was doing Hindi commentary. Why do you have to put a Telugu guy to do Hindi commentary? India versus England चल रहा है. ये बंदा बोल रहा है ये बहुत अच्छा खेले हैं. इंग्लैंड के बैटर है जेसन राव गारू जी. बहुत अच्छा खेले हैं. इंग्लैंड का ऑलराउंडर है श्याम करन. सैम करन. I'm like, no, he should not. And I'm glad that he is not doing IPL commentary. He would spoil it if he has commentary for Hyderabad team, right? कि अभिषेक शर्मा बहुत अच्छा aggressive inning खेला है. 18 balls पे 30 runs बनाए हैं. ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण 30 है. ये 30 हैदराबाद को आगे लेके जाएगा. और आकाश, अगर आप वो सोच रहे हैं कि ये सिंगल आदमी का मेहनत है, ये 30 के पीछे युवराज सिंह का हाथ है. ये इसका 30 नहीं है, युवराज सिंह का 30 है. फिलहाल ये 30 से काव्या बहुत खुश है. This guy is saying, which is why I think VVS Lakshman should start drinking. Best ever. वो एक ड्रिंक पिएगा, जबरदस्त शॉट 4 रनों के लिए कलाइयों के सहारे मोड़ दिया गया है. शॉर्टम मध्यम वो संस्कृत में स्टार्ट कर देगा. आफ्टर थर्ड बैग इज लाइक अभिषेक नेनु प्रेमिस्तुनानु. Next level. But see, one thing I'm really happy that the PCCI has done, that for the last few years they have been doing WPL, Women's Premier League. And I think I'm very, very happy. And we can have a round of applause for this initiative by the BCCI. Men have started watching women's cricket. Not all of you, but a lot of us hardcore cricket fan. And I love it. And my only problem in the last few years with WPL and women's cricket was that they never had women umpires in these matches. Finally, over the last few years, they are gradually increasing. But I don't blame the ICC or BCCI for this. Because, see, don't judge me, I'm not a sexist person at all. But they were also confused because when it comes to taking instant decisions, ma'am, don't look me like that. I have a wife and daughter. I'm saying instant decision, not like decision. You guys take great calls in life. But yeah, आपके साथ है? Yeah. If you guys plan now that what do you want to have for dinner, tell me honestly, she will ruin your life and she will blame it on you. कि तुम इतने इनडिसाइसिव कैसे हो सकते हो? Yeah, because we see and see, I want this to go ahead and progress so much that women umpires start to officiate in men's cricket matches. Yeah, I have a dream. Lord's Cricket Stadium, India versus England, and the umpire standing there is umpire Shanti. Bumrah is marking his lineup. It's a pink ball test match because women umpire pink ball test match. He's running up to the batsman. He bowls the first ball. It's wrapped on the pads. Bumrah says ki, how's that? How's that? How's that? And umpire Shanti says ki, तुम्हें क्या लगता है बुमराह? He's like, ma'am, umpire, आप हो कि मैं? How dare you talk to me like that, Bumrah? Your wife has not taught you क्या? संजना ने कुछ सिखाया नहीं क्या? Oh my God, such a rude tone. मैंने कहा, ma'am, मैं तो simple चीज पूछ रहा हूँ. And she gives a third umpire decision, who is also a female. And now Shanti is talking to Sheila. Sheila और शांति का बिल्कुल लगे, मैं क्यों बताऊं रे, जाओ ना खुद फिगर आउट करना, लास्ट टाइम क्यों आई थी मेरे पास पागल कहीं की. And she says कि I don't know, just figure it out yourself. Now Shanti has to take a call and she says, Bumrah, it's not out because it was a no ball. He's like, ma'am, मैं क्रीज के अंदर डालो, मैम मैं क्रीज के अंदर. Like, no, Bumrah, it's a no ball because you clearly crossed the line. And Bumrah बोल रहा, ma'am, how can you do this, ma'am? How is this possible, ma'am? Like, Bumrah, no ball है, and you are bowling here with a pink ball, so no means no. Thank you, thank you. I thought ये joke काम नहीं करेगा, but glad you guys are good.